Would you like to learn how to make some delicious Russian dressing just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Let's get started by adding some mayonnaise to a bowl. It's best to use a good quality mayonnaise. Hellmann's is always my go-to. The next ingredient for this Russian dressing is ketchup. Again, quality is always best. For me, that can be nothing but Heinz. No substitutes, okay? Next, I'm going in with some sour cream. And then a little bit of why in the world would they name it that sauce? Typically, horseradish is used in Russian dressing, but to me, that's yucky. So I'm using some lemon instead. And a pinch of sea salt and some cracked black pepper. Now I'm going in with some finely diced onions. Your exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Oops, I almost forgot the sweet chili sauce. Now I'm going to give it a good stir and get everything all nice and well combined. And then after that, it's done. If you never tried homemade Russian dressing, you really need to give it a try. It is so flavorful, so delicious. Russian dressing goes really well on salads, burgers, seafoods, and Reuben sandwiches. I'll put my Reuben sandwich recipe above. You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help you, yo, Palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
When she be in the kitchen, let her cook, she got the hands for it. I don't know what you've been told, but Lisa got the pants for it. Far as a subscription on her channel, I make plans for it, so that I can learn a recipe and not advance for it. When she be in the kitchen, let her cook. Let her cook. Let her cook. It's delicious while she whipping, let her cook. Let her cook.